welcome back to another video of Epic Coder. So basically what we're gonna do in this video is go over like how to make like a game that you can shoot out of. You can destroy stuff like zombies, cars, I don't know, whatever you want to put it. So I just did a basic with zombies, of course. And so we're gonna look over the code. I know I made like a video about this before, except it was not that detailed, so I'm gonna make this a little bit more detailed than that, so let's get on with the video. So first of all, I just wanna open this project, so I'm gonna click on that. And I think it might take a little while. Just pause the recording for a bit. Just gonna edit this to make it after I'm done. So yeah. There we go. So we're finally in after like approximately 20 seconds. So first you wanna know how like the character, whatever you want to call it, like how it moves. So first of all, you gotta make like some movement blocks, which I did over here. You can use OR statements for this and make it turn degrees. You can just use this, of course, and put -5. That would also work. So yeah. And so you want it to move steps when it clicks the W or the up arrow, and same with the down arrow and the S key, just move it negative. So, and over here, of course, I'm just gonna put these neatly in order. So these are like the broadcasts for like mobile players, so they can play on too. Cause well, it's a long story. People just wanted to play on mobile too, so this happens too. So just in case that, and just like the shootman. So basically, what it does is like I'll just show one key. It's basically the same thing for that. So you're gonna broadcast something when it go to this. You want it to show, of course. It's not like a hide key. Then basically it takes the broadcast, whatever it is. It just copies like these stuff and pastes it back over here. So yeah, and the bullet, of course, the shoot button, of course. I always get confused between those two. So when you click on this, it shoots, and I like doing this better than space because for some reason it just shoots better. So yeah, I don't know. I tried fixing it, except there's nothing you can do to fix it. So I just go on with it. It's just like that. This basically is just like how the bullet is shooted on keyboard, of course. And this right over here, so it basically dies. Of course, not really. Of course, it just stops the game, which is definitely standing for dies, of course. So basically, when it touches the color of the zombies, which are right over here, it basically just stops the code, stop all of it. You can click down on it, other scripts in this right now, all of it. So, and all of this script is linked to the other sprites, the bullet, the zombies, of course, the keys. So it's basically linked with those. Whenever you try it just basically stops the whole code. So let me show you like this. I run up to a zombie, it stops the whole code because this over here wouldn't stop, just in case. So just put that there, make it in the correct position. There we go. Just gonna keep these zombies out just to show you some codes or some colors that match with this. And the bullet code, of course, when green, you want it to hide because bullets do what they do, but you can't see it according to, I don't know, Newton's law of motion or something. I don't know. Yeah, Newton. So when I start, so when space clicked, it basically says create clone. You can choose down. You can click on like you can choose like the different sprites. I just chose bullet, and that's basically sprite 2. I just renamed it. So when I start as a clone, you want it to show, of course, because why not? Go to the shooter. So on the direction of the and pointing the direction of the shooter, of course. Repeat until touching edge. So when it goes out of the edge, it doesn't stop. So when you go out of the edge, it doesn't work. So that's just like a thing that happens. There's nothing you can do to fix that. It just moves 15.5 steps. If it doesn't reach it, it just deletes this clone after some time. So, and then it keeps on creating new clones if you click on this or with your spacebar, of course. Zombies. How? Well, relatable. So when green clock, so I just put some timers on these because if they all come at the same time, it's gonna be kind of hard. So I just put like +4 for each zombie. So 0 +4, 4 +4. Yeah, this is like the middle. So +2. I forgot that. I just did something. I accidentally did it. I didn't want to change everything in the mechanics, of course, so I just let it go. Set number of deaths to 0 after it reaches 10 number of deaths, which happens by touching this color, which is the color of the bullet. When it hits them, I mean, there's nothing you can do, but sorry. So when it hits them, it changes the number of deaths by 1. And it goes back to its respawn point, which is its X and Y, where it spawns, of course. It repeats twice, and then if number of deaths are more than 9, of course, it hides, basically meaning 4 dies. And that's like the same script with all of these other zombies. So that's how that works. And then these keys over here, basically talked about all of these, and let's see. It's basically like the others, except the code and when you link it to the shooter, it changes whatever you want to call it. I couldn't think of anything. When I receive shoot, which is like the broadcast, it happens forever. Create a clone. Well, it doesn't happen forever. It just stops the script as soon, because if you don't put the forever block, let me show you what happens. It just happens forever. So you gotta put like the forever blocks, because it's just gonna stop the script once and then keep on doing it again. So I just wanted to show you. I honestly didn't get why this happened. So some YouTube videos when I started making tutorials on this, like back, it just said this. It didn't work out properly. Like they had harder scripts. Just try to minimize it so you didn't have to put much time and work into it, and works the same as the other projects. So it basically works the same, good as all of them. So this just makes the code easier to write and build and stuff like that. So if you go on and test it out, and let me just put forgot to do this oh no, whatever, I'm just gonna keep on doing this video, so you're just gonna add my face. Okay, now you can see my face right somewhere up here, I don't know, somewhere up there. There we go. Then when you can click on it, it just goes. So you can okay. Thinks that it's a bit buggy, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this when I'm live streaming. It's just, I don't think I'm gonna put my face cam on when I'm live streaming. It's just that it takes up a lot of storage for YouTube live streams. And, oh no, it's really fun to play too, except not fun as video games, of course. Because what's better than video games, of course. That's basically how you make it. That's that. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, and let me leave some music going, just because I think you guys like music a lot. So let's put that.